transgender because ukuthi ngeke futhi ubushintshe ubulili
no
yize uhambile uyephesheya awuzange ukuthi uyoshintsha ubulili bakho
no
kepha ke wawenza zonke lezi zinto ukuthi ulungise umzimba wakho kodwa unamabele wenza amabele futhi wenzile amabele lokho ngathini ngoba omunye umuntu engabuza ukuthi enene kanjani ngoba unamabele kodwa futhi uthi awufuni ukuthi ube umuntu wesifazane
transitioning ukuchintsha i-surgery le bayibiza nge-reconstruction ushintsha indlela obukeka ngayo ukufaka kwami amabele being a gay person njengoba ngichazile ukuthi ngigcoka njengabantu besifazane
yes
the breast azo complementa indlela engigcoka ngayo
okay
ama breast awasho ukuthi sengifuna ukushintsha ubulili bami I am so okay ngingakutshela iqiniso eTurkey la engenze khona ama surgery bayawushintsha ubulili now it's not part of the plan angifuni
so ama pronouns akho uhe
nje
okay she
yes
all right nice ngiyabuzwa
so nihambile nomyeni wakho eqaleni konyaka na vakashele eTurkey ngenhloso ukuthi niyokwenza ama plastic surgery BBL tummy tuck liposuction njalo njengoba sesiye samchazela umlaleli phambili ukuthi yini leyo yeah awusitshele ngokwenzile nokuthi ke kungani ufuna ukwenza mhlambe yindaba
okay angisachaza ukuthi yini right
aqala uthi yini qala
yes
ngaphambi usichaza
ngenze
ukwenzile
BBL iqala ku liposuction bakhipha amafutha esiswini bafaka ezinceni ngenze impumulo it's called rhinoplasty or ikhala nose job and then I did bichectomy bichectomy is a surgery they do ehlathini
okay
so ihlathi zami bezi round bengingathandi lobu round there was nothing wrong with it
okay
yes and then now that bichectomy they cut you inside the mouth and then bakhipha lamafutha la ngaphakathi so that they become slim and small and then I did fox eyes badonsa amehlo ami beba round bengifuna nje abe mancane Chinese
badonsa lapha emaceleni
yes adonsekile nje and then I did mid facelift baphakamisa ubuso la so I've got operation here and operation here bathunga because uyakusika adonse muscles akhuphukile and then bese wabambela la and then uyavala but angeke uzubone ukuthi what happened on
ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi cha impela ayibaza zikho hlobo shothi umuntu udokotela osezingeni eliphezulu uyazi
professional
ngiyakubona mehlakho shemo foxy eyes ukhona wena ngiyabona
professional
and sibonile nezithombe mawusubona izithombe I mean eqaleni ikhala lakho ukuthi belinjani and then namanje uyabona ngempela ukuthi hayi cha kusetshenzwe
ngidelela ngomkhaba lo dokotela umkhaba uyawudiliza uqede
phansi pha
yiba kithi
ubonile wami
ngikubonile
from before and after
so mangasutshela umlaleli ngemali oyisebenzisile ukwenza konke lokho sikibe sabathi halamuzi kancane usebenzise malini
600,000 for the whole trip and everything ngoba uyawugibela amahotela uyakhokhela khona lapho kuleyo mali uzobenzile so ngihambe ngiyoyenza kunye njengaleyo ehlathi into engafika ngabonisa udokotela mase ngifika because bengimtshela ukuthi ngifuna udonse ubuso wabe uyasho ukuthi cha ubuso nami ngabudonsa the shape oyifunayo kune surgery ekuthiwa yi and then I said do it and then ngihambe la ngibudget abo ma 3-4 but uma sengifika futhi kwakoseke ngi-add okunye but u600,000 sihlukene nje nawo
wow
ngaphandle kwepain
fazala bamzitho that is uGogo Manzini I guess Gogo Manzini answered a question a lot of people they wanted to know about him going to take and redo ibody. I don't think I'm the only person who wanted to know ukuthi uzotshintsha ubulili bakhe as naye shilo ukuthi no akachintsha ubulili bakhe usese umuntu wesilisa and he's still classified as a man guys as a male so akachintsha ubulili bakhe but I must say eTurkey they did a very good job on Gogo Manzini not on Gogo Manzini everyone I know oyenze umsebenzi wakhe oyenze ibody yakhe eTurkey umsebenzi wabo muhle kakhulu but on Gogo Manzini guys she looks very beautiful. I don't know whether should I say she or he, but uthi akana nkinga yini ukuthi ubizwa ngani. he is very pure. She looks very beautiful. She looks very beautiful. Bengasamboni nokuthi ugogo Manzini angifuni nje ukucama manga, because when I saw the post, I think about end of January, he posted that uzoyetake ayenza i-BBL, i-tummy what, i-tummy, i-breast, i-complexion, even the face. When estimated about 340,000, if I'm not lying, but now to spend 600,000, that is a lot of money. But let's me just say it's worth it. And I mean, I for one, I don't have a problem. I want to about maybe I'm up so about because if you have the man and you don't feel comfortable with whatever God gave you, why not? I know a lot of people, they are saying isithombe sibi to mhlambe abantwana bakhulayo banamabele amakhulu, or abantwana bakhulayo who they feel as if bafuna ukuba mhlambe they want to have bums. But I for one, I think as much as labantu they are telling us they are buying these things, they're also telling us they are buying them and it's a lot of money. That I give me one as if vele, if you want to go there, you know that you need to work hard and budget. So if nalo mntana loyo and mhlambe ufuna ukuthenga amabele, that girl will know I must work hard so that I can afford this surgery. Ngisuse in a positive side. But as umakajeni, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.